Okay, I'm just going to show you I've done the bed rails. So what I've done, I put 3 bed rails in, brackets, holding them in. So I thought I'd just show everybody what I'm doing, because they just usually come to a video on YouTube and you go, I wonder how I did that bed, and it's done. So you don't see it. So there they are, brackets. Also the other side in the center rail. Okay, straight across, all the same, right across. Then what I've done as well on these side rails, I put another batten, which is the same thickness as the ply that I'm going to put on. And if you look at the middle rail, the gap there is the same thickness as the ply. So the ply will sit on that and sit on these. So it'll be absolutely perfectly straight all across. What I'll probably do with the ply, I'll put the ply on, then I'll drill some holes in it, make sure it's got air. So we've got air underneath the mattress. So this is where the bed is up to now. I should have this finished by tomorrow with the ply on. Next thing I will show you is the fridge. Okay, so I know I've done a video on the fridge and it's a bit working and whatnot. So what I did here, that's a bit weird. Why is it always got LEDs, haven't we? Yeah, so a bit of light, see if that stops the flashing. That's a bit better. So what I did here was, we drilled a hole, and I said I made a bit of a mistake. I'm going to admit to any mistakes, then you don't have to make them. So I took this piece of wood to work. I did have a hole borer here, wasn't the right size. And what I did, I drilled in straight, but only just to get it started. And then I tilted it and drew in that way. And with this, what I did, I just measured it from this board, allowing for the lip, of course, to the top of this. And I put that in. That's the first thing we've done. So that's now ready to go. Second dilemma. Okay, I'll show you this. So this fridge we bought as a camping fridge, and if you can see down the bottom there, it's got holes to be screwed to the floor. Guess what? How'd you get to them? Because once you fit the fridge, you can't get to the holes in the floor. Weird. And there's no space. So what I'm going to do, using these pieces of wood here, I will make a plinth that the fridge will sit on. And then I will screw the fridge to the plinth. Get it? Stand, plinth, whatever you want to call it. So that'll sort of come round here, and it'll be all underneath the fridge. So you won't see it as such. And one at the front. So then the fridge will be sitting up about 2 inches higher, which will then tally up with that. With that. These two will tally up then. Okay, with a piece of ply on top. So then I will screw the fridge to the plinth, and then put the plinth against the wall and screw the plinth to the floor. Got it? I will show you this as I'm doing it. I'm hopefully going to get this today as well. I don't know. This is Friday evening. So this is where we're up to so far. And it's pointless just saying doing a van build and they go, hey, look, I've built it. That's no good. We need to see. So, yeah, what will happen here, well, you can see these support rails down the side. They're not for the bed. They're just a way of dividing the bedroom as such from the rest of it. So on here, we will have another piece of wood which will incorporate the shelves above the bed. And same down that side. So if you imagine this, look at that. And with this, I'm not too sure. I think I might carpet that. So I've got some more carpet stuff coming. Anyway, that's for the fridge. Yeah, so there we go. So I'll put the plinth together. I'll show you the plinth when I put the plinth together and the plinth is finished. Then we'll put the fridge on the plinth, put the plinth on the floor, tally it all up, and then screw the plinth to the floor. Right. I'm not too sure of that cupboard. It might be going out yet. It doesn't fit. It would like it because it's got the sliding doors, but we'll see. I think I might just make one. And that's where we're up to so far. I won't finish the video here. I will finish it when the plinth is built and the fridge is in and the ply is on the bed. Okay, measured them. We got 2 backs and 2 sides, which you would have. Okay, so all I did was pre-drill the side ones all the way through and then countersink them. And then we'll just put these in now, glue them, and screw them together. Okay, that's where we're up to now. Okay, now to see if it fits. Should do. It goes that way, because these two then hide underneath the fridge. Okay, fridge is now on the plinth. You can see I pushed it back It's now connected to the outside world. Dun, 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 dun. And I've also put on a fire angel right on top, just to make sure there's no leaks and we're not going to die. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. We'll test that. It's just lit. I think I'm going to have to put a little mirror just at the back here, just so you can see when it's ignited. I'll just glue it on. When it does, because there's no way of seeing it otherwise, the only other thing, you have to wait for that temperature gauge, and that's working. So it's usually here, right in the white. So it's just moved. So, okay, we're testing that, see if that fire angel goes off. If it goes off, I don't know, we'll have to resort to either 12 volt or mains only, but we'll see. Hopefully it should be fine. We will see. Okay, next on to the next job now, lats. We're going to start fitting these on the bed. And I'm gonna put another 2 rails down here. I was going to use ply, but I thought, hold on a minute, we need the mattress to breathe. So therefore, we're going to use these. I started sanding them. I got a load of them, so I'll start cutting them down, probably halfway. Put another batten each side, and then it'll be sort of pre-drill it. I'll show you this as I'm going along. Pre-drill it, and then stick them down. Okay, so we've had a clean up. As you can see, we've tidied everything up. We've took the fridge back out. We made the hole bigger because Andrew is he's still a fireman, and he said don't do like that because it's getting warm, but not. We don't know. We wouldn't take any chances. So we've done that, and now we're putting the floor down. So we put the first 2 pieces down. Now we have to stagger them. So we've cut one in half. And this is sticky back tiles, and they're from B&Q. Looking pretty slick. Got the aluminium side rails to go on the step. We've got 2 at the back to go on as well. Any screws which are just sort of protruding, Andrew's just popping them down. That's where we're up to. Okay, flooring, aluminium strip on the back, which I found. That bit over there, we're not bothered because it's all going to be hidden underneath. We just put some underneath the fridge to make sure the fridge is level, but the rest is all going to be just cupboards and whatnot. So, yeah, a little bit of advice if anybody's interested in. These are carpet strips. If you want them to stick really well to your floor, you either treat your floor first or just use some Screwfix or any local DIY. Get some spray, contact adhesive spray, and just put it on first. Then these are sticky backed, and when we put these down, we put one down slightly wrong. It snapped to people, we couldn't get it up. So yeah, hack for you. Make sure you use a spray adhesive as well as it's already on the back of this anyway, because they come pretty sticky stuff. Anyway, and that's it so far. Let me just show you the side door. Okay, this is the carpet strip we put down. That's just from B&Q, straightforward. Stop from lifting, it's a bit in. That's alright. Yeah, looking beautiful. So next is I'm going to start putting some wooden beams across, which will encase the sink and the counter. All will be done. We're going to start building the cupboards underneath the bed, and then we're going to put slats on the bed as well. So looking pretty good so far. Okay, bottom plinth in, ready for the sink. The work surface will come out. So I've got the sink to go in, the 2 water canisters, the sink, the water, whatever, the little cooker. There we go. Okay. Okie doke, just give me a sec. Found the remote control. Boom. There we go. Right, so slats on the bed, all screwed down. Started putting the kitchen unit, well not the kitchen unit, but the kitchen base, all screwed down to the floor. And that's where we are. Okay. Floor in. Looking great actually. Hopefully this weekend we might go away for a bit of just a couple of days or something, not decided yet. What I'm going to do with this as well, these are just, they're not damp or wet, they're just going to let them dry out a bit more. They're dry, but just get them sort of room temperature. And then I'm going to carpet all this. I will cut in the middle of these will fold underneath, they're all going to be glued and everything, and then the new mattress is coming as well. I've got a new mattress, and I've got topper, and I've got some sheets. This is a double bed, so it's 4'6" by, it's just 6 foot, and so I might be a bit, well, I can always lie slightly diagonally, so that's fine. And that's where we're up to right now. Looking good, looking good. And there we go. Okay, so this is going to go up now, the video, and next one will be carpeting, new mattress, and hopefully start building the cupboards. All right, so, and also there'll be some slatted work which will divide us to divide the mattress, so the mattress can't come forward, so it'll be all sectioned off. Not totally, just, you know, you'll see. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.